Imagine stepping into a brand new car that feels like it's known you for years. That's digital twin for you. Digital twins are a business model pattern using data from sensors, simulations, and historical records to create a comprehensive digital model, allowing organizations to simulate, test, and optimize physical attributes without disrupting operations. In the automotive industry, they are transforming product development, manufacturing, and customer experience. Leading this revolution is Hyundai Motor Company, a global powerhouse redefining transportation through digital twins. In Hyundai's factories, every component, from a robotic arm to a conveyor belt, has a digital twin that monitors performance, gathers data, and runs simulations to optimize processes. Connected to factory sensors and cloud-based supply chain data, these twins can predict maintenance needs, identify bottlenecks, and simulate new production lines before they are built, giving Hyundai a competitive edge. Hyundai's digital transformation goes beyond manufacturing as the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry. So, Carolina, I understand how digital twins work, but can you explain to me how it works for Hyundai?
Good question. Hyundai's digital twin is a virtual factory that mirrors every machine, robot, and even person as they work. Think of it like a simulation, but with a memory and a brain. And here's the kicker. This brain doesn't just watch, it also learns. It runs AI models, predicts issues before they happen, and even optimizes production sequences automatically.
Oh, interesting. So what does Hyundai do with this digital twin brain?
Lots of things. Think about the Hyundai manufacturer in Singapore. 86,900 square meters, 7 floors, packed with robots and stuff, all cloned into a living 3D replica to test new layouts, robot paths, or workflows virtually first. No downtime, no risk, no panic. But here is the fun part. It's not just a copy-paste. The twin is connected to Microsoft Azure's cloud, which means it can process huge amount of sensor data at lightning speed. Want to redesign an assembly line overnight? Done.
Wow, that sounds like cheat mode for factories.
Exactly. The real magic is the speed. Hyundai can test bold ideas in the cloud as fast as a Formula One car on the track. How cool is that? And the best part, it all happens remotely. Whether it's a new process, a robot's next move, or even predicting energy savings, everything gets simulated instantly without ever stopping the real factory. Right, Lily?
Yes, for example, picture a giant screen showing the live factory twin. Manager can spot issue instantly, fix robot remotely, and roll out updates across zones. Not just that, you know what I find more interesting? The fact that this has a much wider impact than just manufacturing. It's not just about the company, it's create value for Hyundai customer too.
Oh, how come?
Well, it is really all about delivering safer car, more reliable EV batteries, and faster innovation and upgrades. When you're looking to buy a car, wouldn't you want to opt for the one that's undergone thorough research and testing? With AI and other tech, we can test products more frequently than we could a physical product. Plus, Hyundai can extend this delivery beyond factories into entire mobility ecosystems, anchoring the future of smart cities. So from the factory to the customers, there's heap Hyundai can do with its digital brain.
Alright, I get the cool tech, but surely it's expensive, right? So is it really worth it? How does Hyundai actually make money from this? What do you think, Maitreyi?
It is absolutely worth it, and that's where value capture comes in. Firstly, efficiency saves money. So by running simulations before physically testing, Hyundai can avoid costly shutdowns, recalls, and endless prototypes. That's millions saved right away. And data is power. So with Hyundai's digital twins architecture, it means that all of its data around operations, production, and design is reusable. Once a blueprint is set up for one factory, Hyundai can just copy-paste it to countless factories worldwide. That's unlocking massive economies of scale. And all of this whole system is proprietary, which means it's protected by intellectual property, it's driven by exclusive real-time data from sensors, and it's constantly learning with every single simulation. That's creating a massive learning advantage for Hyundai that competitors in the automotive industry are struggling to replicate. And that's just right now. There's a third mechanism that has really exciting potential for Hyundai in the near future, but it's in its early stages, pricing mechanisms. So Lily, did you want to share more about what this looks like in practice for Hyundai?
Sure, think of offerings like predictive maintenance subscriptions, OTA upgrades, and even selling digital twin insights to partners. Once you own the twin, you own the customer relationship too.
So you are saying the twin isn't just saving costs, it's actually capturing new revenue streams too.
Exactly. It's like Hyundai gets paid twice, once for the car and then again for its continuous data-driven services. And that shows clear value for the business. But there is a bigger picture to consider. Neha, what do you think Hyundai should focus on in the future?
Hyundai has the digital twin factory. Great. But what's next? I say, let's make twins that actually matter to two audiences, the planet and the driver. First, sustainability. Right now, cars leave carbon footprints. But what if Hyundai's digital twin could calculate and reduce that footprints before the car even hits the road? Picture this. The car whispers, "Hey, this design will waste 10% less energy and recycle 20% more battery material." Suddenly, Hyundai isn't just selling cars, it's selling carbon savings. That's not just greed, that's gold in today's ESG-driven world. This opens new subscription revenue streams and strengthens Hyundai's ESG leadership. By 2030, Hyundai could be known as the company that sells carbon savings and not just cars. And second is the personalized dashboards. Why should digital twins stay locked away in the factories? Give every Hyundai driver their own twin, right on their phones. Imagine opening an app and seeing, "Your car's battery has 92% health and your eco-driving saved 14 kgs of CO2 this week. And here's a tip to make it last longer." It's like a Fitbit, but for your car. Safe, smart, and personal. So my recommendation is simple. Make every twin green. Make every twin personal. Do that and Hyundai doesn't just build vehicles, it builds trust with the planet and loyalty to every driver. Thanks for watching.